Hello and welcome back to another video. So, recently I've been browsing Facebook Marketplace looking for a few interesting items and I spotted this, a Mac Pro 1,1, it described it as £15 Mac Pro. Now for £15 you can't complain, you can't go, even for the hour and a half drive this is away from me, it's worth it. It looks to be in good nick physically, and if it doesn't work and it's not repairable, I'll do a case mod with it. So anyway, I went to go pick this up and it was in brilliant nick, physically at least. I didn't have a chance to test it. I put it in the boot of the car and drove home happy. £15, you can't complain. So this is what happened when I got it home. So this is what I got. Now it's a Mac Pro 1,1. You can tell by the FireWire 400 port on the front. They really thought people were going to need that. Well, in day, yeah, you probably would need that. I've plugged it in, but I haven't switched it on yet. So it was listed as parts not working, but who knows. Now I've had a quick look inside already. So if we pop the latch, get this beautiful side panel off, we'll find that there's 3 drive sleds, all of them empty. Last one's empty as well, but no drive sled. And there's some RAM in there, so that bit should be fine. The graphics card's here, it's the stock graphics card. I've no idea what it is. I'll have to add it as an annotation if I find out. And if I can pop this off, well, I have no idea how to do. I don't know how that comes off, but there is only one CPU heatsink and socket. The socket's got a cover on. I did have that off, but just as a quick visual once over. But yeah, anyway, I think it's time. We've got the old side panel back on. Slap the thing shut. This is the first boot, so I don't know if you can hear that, but something's happening. Noises are happening. And a white screen's happening. Okay. I'll be honest with you, I bought this for the case for an ATX conversion, but it's more life than I was expecting, I'll say that. Okay then, yeah, it's acting like a Mac Pro would if it didn't have a drive in it. What, it doesn't have a drive in it? Okay, I'm rather in shock. Okay, this changes things. The broken Mac lives. I mean, I bought it and the bloke had the graphics card out, he had bits out, the drive sleds out, everything. I put them all back in just for the video because I don't have a tripod, it's hard to do with one hand, and it's just a lot better to just have it shown all the bits what he took out back in, but this changes everything. So, with the looks of it, we've got a Mac what posts. I can't complain with that, to be fair. But I've got a few projects planned with it. First, I need to get this operating system back installed, see what really goes on with it. Now, I've had a look at the stickers and seen what it is. I believe it's early 2008, so that's a 2,1. But yeah, it's a good machine for the money. I've got a few ideas and they're all in the pipe works, but for now, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and goodbye.